Hello guys, namaste. Arev, Ndiyepi, Akwaba, Ola, Huyamor, Melang, Sanbonani, Bonjour. Anyway, today we have a short and simple lesson. Let's go into my hard drive, one of my hard drives, where I normally save all the information. I feel like my drive is failing. I hope you can see, guys. It's taking too long now to open files. But yeah, I guess I will have to buy another one as fast as possible. For this one gives me some issues. Okay, so there we are. I will open any random schematic and I want to show you those components on the schematic on how you look for another replacement component, exactly the same one on the schematic. So remember, whenever you are changing something on the schematic, you on the board using a schematic or using a help of a schematic, you have to be sure and you have to make sure that you are using exactly the same replacement component. Otherwise, we'll have some problems. I'm gonna take any compile Maraport. I like compile Maraport. Let me just open this one. Okay, here we go. These are all the components. Okay, for example, we have this component here. It's for demo something. Okay, right. So what you do? Okay, let's say this chip here is spent, and you want to replace this chip. You can see the chip number, but you can't see the number on the chip on top of the chip due to a bend or due to some certain reason. So this is what you do. Since you know the port number, I mean on the port, you know the port on the number, not on the chip, but on the port, you know the port number. It is the component there. It's a U38. So this is what you do. Don't panic. You copy this number here. Again. Copy and you go to your browser and then you paste able right there. Paste and you search. Okay, there we go. This is the chip. So you will have the data sheet for the chip. They will tell you what pin number 1 does. This is a temperature sensor. Let's go back on the schematic. Yeah, this is a temperature what? A temperature sensor. And remember what I was telling you, that the startup chip is also responsible for what? For sensing temperature in most components. And there we are. It says EC SMP. Let me just show you how. Before I even go there, let's go back. I don't want to confuse you. I want you to understand this thing, not to cram the information. No, just understand the entire thing. It's very easy. These components are made by different companies for different machines. They are not only for laptops, for plenty of things. Like some other machine that you won't even know. Desktop, other things of which I don't know as well. As you can do these things. They're just made for different things, not specifically for computers. No, they are made for different machines. Okay, so the chip looks like this. Look like this. There it is. This is a temperature sensor. How many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's got 8 legs. And to confirm, you go back on the schematic. You check if the chip does have 8 legs. As you can see, it's got 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is exactly the same chip. Same time, using the internet. They will even assist you for a data sheet to check this IC. Where can you buy this IC? You can go ahead there and place your order. They will assist you with so many things. There it is. This company here, they'll be able to ship you this chip. They'll sell you this chip. They ship all over. Okay, anyway guys, don't let these things confuse you. They are easy, and as I've said before, they are not made only for laptops. They are made for other things, for other machines. Okay, trying to download what's trying to download the data sheet, but it's fine. There's no need for a data sheet since we already have what a schematic. Schematic, they will tell you that pin number 1 is VDD, it's where the chip received 3.3 volts. And again, most temperature, sensors on the port, they use 3.3 volts. VS, after the machine has turned on. VS just means volt suspend. See, after the machine has turned on. When you connect the power, the charger or the battery, this chip won't receive any power. It's just waiting for you to press what? Press the power button, and then the chip will start receiving what? Will start receiving power. Anyway, this is it. I want to end this lesson, but anyway, before I even end it, let's check another chip. This is for a fan. This is for controlling what? This is for controlling the fan. Even here, let's say you are looking for this chip, you even want to order it, or you want to check how the pins are aligned. Maybe you think there's a short on the other side of the chip because it's beeping one way. No, fan controllers are like that. On the other side, those 4 pins, they will beep when you connect your meter there, and compared to ground, they will beep one way. And they are not faulty, they are beeping because they are connected to what? To ground. Sometimes you think that there's a short here, that's why the fan is not working, the fan controller is faulty. No, this is a fan controller, guys. It works with what? With 5 volts. And let's say you're looking for this fan controller, you highlight this number here, and you go online, you use your browser, and then you paste and go to images. Okay, it's a shame because we can't find the images by this website. By the other one. Okay, you can I believe you can order a chip here in an account, and then they'll give you what? They'll give you the component. Then here as well, you will order the chip. These are all different kind of chips, but yours would be this one. Yours would be something like this. Right? Anyway, guys, these things are easy. What else you will want to check? This is a connector. I'm pretty sure it's a white plastic. Go to a browser again. Paste there, enter. Luckily we can't find it there. Let's see, but it's a connector, the white plastic connector. There it is. This one is black. There we go. It's everything there on the board. The number they showed you on the schematic is probably telling you it's containing the chip information. Don't use this. This one is giving you a clue that this is a JP6. It's connector number 6. You don't use that. You use this to look for that specific chip or for that specific component on the motherboard. Okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave it right there, hanging right there. I love you so much. Prefer my lessons to be short so that someone will learn and understand something. This is it. Going, guys. Bye.